what's up with you? You know that I be trusting you.
What it do? Back with another one.
Trusting you.
What's up, sweetie? What's up, sweetie? But yeah, this video right here, it's gonna be me deworming my dogs. Yesterday, I gave them their first dose. As y'all know, it's a 3-day process when it comes down to this deworming. But yesterday, I gave them their first dose. Today, I gotta give them their second. Then I'll end it with their third dose tomorrow. But drop in a comment the type of dewormers that you guys use, man. I just got off work and shit like that too. But drop in a comment the type of dewormer that you guys use. Some good dewormer that you all can recommend that I can get in store. But there was a nice deal for me. I got all this for $37 for her and Romeo together. Paid $37 for it. So, and I feel like the vet, they got the best of the best, but you know, I don't know. So if you know something that I don't know, drop it in the comment, man. What's up, girl? But yeah, I'm finna be giving them their second round today. Look at my boy Romeo. What's up, boy? Come on, nigga. My boy Romeo, man, coming out the cut. What's up, boy? Sweet, stop. What's up, baby? Sweet, stop. What's up, baby? My boy Romeo coming out the cut with it. Yeah, boy. Oh, y'all see that, boy? Oh, y'all see that, boy? But yeah, I'm gonna start with Sweet first. Sweet get the smaller doses. As y'all know, because she's lighter than Romeo, but she get the smaller doses. Nigga, man, sorry for that, y'all. Nigga, don't knock my shit down no more. She get the smaller doses though, and I'm finna go ahead and give her that. Come on, girl. Don't be with that fuck shit today. Damn. Good thing that shit ain't squared on me. Come on. Come on, girl. Stop. Sit. Sit. Y'all gotta handle these dogs, man. Come on, a little bit more. Just got a little bit more. Look, come on. Got a little bit more. Y'all gotta handle these dogs. And a little bit spread it out. Hope it didn't get on me, but it's your turn now, Romeo. Come on, boy. Yep. Let's go. It's your turn now, big boy. Sweet, go on. Sit back. Eat this shit, nigga. Eat this shit, nigga. Eat that shit, nigga. Got a little bit more. Got a little bit more. Get back. Come on. A little bit more. Look at that shit. Lick that shit, huh? Lick my hand. Gotta make sure they get all that shit. Lick my hand. Get back, sweet. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And good girl. Yeah, man. Y'all got these dogs and shit, man. Make sure y'all feed. give them their medication, man. Wormers, make sure they got the parvos, rabies and shit. Well, yeah, that's that process. They got one more dose for tomorrow, and that'll be it. They'll be good for good with that deworming for another 3 months. I do mine normally 3 months because, like I say, my dogs are inside dogs. They really don't be outside. I change their water like damn near every day. So I just try to do mine every 3 months, and that's because they do come outside sometimes, and it's just good to worm them. You know, sometimes I feed meat, different type of meats that can cause parasites, or different type of meats that contain parasites, if not cooked thoroughly. So yeah, just stay on top of that, man. Keep them dogs healthy, man. That's the only way y'all gonna have healthy, nice litters out there, man. And that's the only way you're gonna have these dogs living the longest that they can, you feel me? So do your thing. Yeah, man, stay on top of that, man. Come on, Romeo. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Romeo upset with me. But yeah, you too, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man.